Good morning, good people. Jason here with Green Country Agroforestry. I am in the backyard garden this morning, handheld, no tripod, and you're probably not going to see my face in this video because we got something better to look at. Right now we're looking at a fennel plant. This is a perennial. Yep, a perennial vegetable. Self-seeds itself quite readily, as you can see, and of course the seeds are used for all kinds of culinary purposes. There is a bulb that is produced down there at the base that is harvestable and edible. But fennel is also a place where these lovely lovelies can come and they can get their sustenance for their transformation. Let me see if this guy will say hello. This is not a monarch butterfly. This is, hey, psst. Hey you, there you go. Do you see the two little horns that pop up? That indicates that we are looking at a black swallowtail butterfly here. And they love eating fennel. There's a chrysalis that's already split open and released the butterfly. Oh, there's another one right back there. Can you see it? Butterfly is already gone from that one too. But we've got yet another one. Hang on a second. Let me get into position here because I gotta climb. Gotta climb to get here. Hang on. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. But will you look at this? There is another one right there that hasn't opened yet. And what we do know about these is they like to open up in the wee early hours of the morning. So we're out here this morning. And I don't see any activity yet. Hopefully we get to this fellow tomorrow and we can show you an amazing transformation. We're going to need to harvest our fennel seed in any case. So once this traveler has made their departure, we will proceed with the harvest of the fennel. That's the plan anyway. Oh my goodness. How does this happen? Oh, they get spread by seed. That's a Helianthus tuberosa. That's a Jerusalem artichoke, and I did not plant it next to this elderberry and next to this. What are you? You are a flowering quince. That's right, Japanese flowering quince. I didn't plant it next to this goji berry either. Oh wow, bugs got to that. I didn't plant it next to this horseradish. What? Horseradish, goji berry, strawberries. Flowering quince, elderberry, more strawberries, more horseradish, that's a daylily, and more daylily, chicory, and apparently, I guess now, Jerusalem artichoke. Okay. I guess if it wants to be in here, it can be in here. We'll see how well it plays with others. Is this a guild? Yeah, this is a guild. It's a little micro guild. This is all little understory stuff, minor things. The flowering. I know it needs to be weeded or needs to be. This is not pretty at the moment, guys. I haven't maintained this one thoroughly well. It's a little bit overrun. Got some of these longer grasses they're peeking through here. Let's sort of get a couple of those. There we go. And that one there. I don't think those need to be there. Okay. Let's sort of make sure I don't grab any of the strawberries. I think once the grass is grown up to the point where you can distinguish it from the strawberry vines, you can pull it, right? There we go. Well, I got strawberries trying to spread at the same time that the grass is trying to spread, and I don't want to destroy the strawberries, just in the interest of getting rid of the grass. So I guess you kind of have to be selective about when you come out and do your heavy-duty disrupting, right? This is Bermuda grass, and Bermuda grass wants to grow in the same niche and perform the same job as the strawberry. So right now, this is where we have the opportunity. Oh, there's a strawberry pup I can go put somewhere. This is where we have the opportunity to make the change and establish the dominance of the strawberry over the Bermuda grass. And if the strawberry gains its dominance, then it may keep the Bermuda grass out, especially as we shift to a more shaded environment that's more favorable to the strawberries than the Bermuda grass. However, I've got to let you know that this is an idea that I'm trying out. It is an untried idea, a virgin, as it were. See, all untried ideas are virgins. That's why the feminine aspect of intellect, whether it's Sophia or Athena or Chokhmah, is always depicted as female and virginal. Although the Romans took Athena and made her a bit more matronly. Boy, do you think they lost some of that vital character by thinking of knowledge as being something old and settled in its ways? Sorry. Yeah? And not the virginal idea that must first be tested before being embraced. You know, a culture that embraces virginal ideas without having really put them to test is setting itself up for grand disaster. Don't ever be an early adapter of technology, right? Unless, of course, it is your intention to be a pioneer. So, right now we're pioneering the concept of crowding out Bermuda grass with strawberries. And of course, we're giving them a little help along the way. There we go. That's nice. Let's get you. Ooh. I'm gonna get this guy planted somewhere.